guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Happy New Year guys to all of you. I wish you many blessings and a very happy new year. If you haven't been here before, my name is Katja and this is a channel full of creativity and crafty projects, mainly papercraft. Sometimes I do some altered objects and sometimes I also do some mixed media, but all of my projects always have some paper. And yeah, I love my beautiful design papers. This week I am sharing a tutorial with you guys for two spring-like cards because I have spring on my mind. I am so done with winter, guys. I am fed up with it. I want the sun to shine. I want the sky to be blue and I want the birds to sing. So I thought, well, let's make some spring cards and use some yellows and greens and lovely flowers and butterflies as a theme. So I created a birthday card and an Easter card. You can, of course, adapt yours if you are going to craft along with me and adapt it to any occasion that you like, of course. You can, of course, also use every kind of paper or color theme that you fancy. Mine are spring, but yours can be anything that you like. Maybe Valentine's or who knows. The papers that I used this time were by Craft and You Design. This is a Polish brand and the collection is called Spring Garden, so very applicable here. And these are sheets numbers 2 and 3. They just number their sheets. So Spring Garden by Craft and You Design. And you only need 2 sheets of design paper of 12 by 12 inch and only 1/2 of a piece of cardstock of 12 by 12 inch. So very frugal in my opinion. You can shop your stash. If you are anything like me, if you are a paper lover, you can shop your stash and find the most beautiful pieces that maybe you have even forgotten about. I hadn't forgotten about mine. I, in fact, went straight for them because I thought spring, I thought yellow, and I reached for these 2 sheets because I knew I had them. I also love my feathers, as you can see, but you can, of course, use any embellishment that you like. I love my flowers. You can go bulkier than this, or you can go flatter than this. You can keep it simpler than this, or you can go all out and leave this in the dust behind you. So it's about the techniques today. I'm gonna show you the different techniques that I used to create these 2 cards. They are completely, well, not completely, but they are fairly different, and yet there are some similarities too. They are both kind of gatefold, so both open like this and close like this, but one uses a magnet, the other does not. It has in fact a purely paper lock to keep this closed. I am not holding it closed and yet it stays closed. So I am showing you that paper technique as well, that paper lock technique. Another difference is that the one has cardstock as a base and the other does not. So let's go to the tutorial, craft along with me. I will speed up huge parts of the video because I don't want you to have to sit through 2 hours of video, because I think I took about an hour per card to create, but also to design. So maybe you can be faster if you don't have to design it by yourself. Just follow along with me and you will probably be faster than me. But still, it's not a 5-minute project. So I will speed up the footage, but you can pause, of course, halfway through if you want to keep up with me and craft along with me. So let me know in the comments if you will craft along with me, or if you get some inspiration and if you create your own card, if you feel inspired to go for spring like I did. And yeah, let's do it. right, and we're back. So I hope you like these techniques and these designs. Maybe you feel inspired to use your embossing folders because, I have several and I sometimes forget that I have them. But look at the beauty of this one, especially if you add some metallic wax of some kind like I have. And it's a beautiful effect, and especially on the back of the cards, this is also an option. Keep it plain and simple, but if you want something more, something extra, you can simply emboss a piece of your design paper. So that is, I hope, an idea for you. Also, you can use your stamps. Don't forget how many stamps you have, probably, if you are anything like me. So, just shop your stash. You don't have to fall for the temptation to buy new stamps every single season, tempting though it may be, but you don't have to. Just shop your stash and find and re-find the stamps that you may have forgotten about. And the same goes for your dies, your cutting dies. I have lovely label dies, so I made use of them for both of these cards. These label dies, they are great for these kinds of journaling spots in your cards, and you can add a little bit of, stickles or any kind of glitter glue or maybe liquid pearl or some such, just to add some interest. It's pretty simple to do. And again, use your stamps. And look, I didn't even need cardstock to create this card. Just enjoy your double-sided paper. So shopping your stash for double-sided papers may help you keeping down the bulk and also the weight. Because if I'm going to send this out, this is less weighty than this. Because this has cardstock, it has design paper, it has embellishments, and it has magnets. So pieces of metal. So this is significantly heavier than this. So those were all of the tips. Again, I hope you feel inspired by this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Also, if you want to comment anything else, I always welcome those. You probably get a response because I usually respond to all of my commenters unless they are rude or completely spammy or something. And if you want, press the like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.